Welcome back to Pfeiffer Vacuum. My name is Fabian, and in the last video I showed you the scope of delivery and its optional accessories of the Pfeiffer Vacuum HiScroll. In this video I want to show you how to set up the parameters with the DCU 002 and the HiScroll. This is the DCU, and with these buttons you can navigate through the menu. So what we see is the parameter 2, which is standby mode. I can activate the standby mode now by clicking the two buttons here at once, turning on, and then acknowledge this to set the parameter. And what you see is that the standby mode was switched on. The same way for switching the standby mode off again. Also, parameter 10 is power switch, so pumping station on and off. Then we have several other control commands up to parameter 63. And then we have the 300s parameters. Those are status requests. For example, we can look at the operation hours counter for the pump. This is the hours counter for how many hours was the pump switched on and running. But also we have the operation hours counter for the electronics. And this is how many hours did we plug in the power supply. Also we have the drive power. As I told you in the previous videos, our drive system is very efficient and we are only using around 120 watts for full speed of the HiScroll. Then we have several temperatures you can look at, and also electronics name, software, and all the stuff. And then we have the 700s, it's the reference value inputs. For example, interesting here is the pressure sensor we have integrated to the HiScroll. There you can see the actual pressure at the inlet of the HiScroll, as well as the parameter for pressure sensor calibration. Okay, coming back to the control commands, we have the parameter 34, and this is a special parameter we have newly created. It is named auto start, and the advantage of this parameter is that you can choose if the pump should start after power interruption or if it should stay off. And what happens if I disconnect and reconnect the power cable, I show you here. Now you can see that the pump has stopped running, and if I reconnect the cable, the pump will do a short self-test and restarts to run. Now the self-test is running, and the pump has started. If you would turn off the parameter 34, the pump would stay off. Also, we have integrated two shortcuts to the electronics. It's parameter 2 and parameter 10, so activating standby mode as well as switching the pump on and off. In the next video, I will show you 3 additional features, so stay tuned and see you soon. If you want to get more information about the Pfeiffer Vacuum HiScroll, contact your Pfeiffer Vacuum partner now. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe.